Bengaluru has two distinct townships. One is the petes like Chikkapete, Doddapete, Akkipete, Ragipete, Balepete, and even more other petes. On the other hand, we have the cantonment. Cantonment means district or a corner. Most of us consider cantonment as a railway station, but it's not only the railway station. The cantonment has the history since 1800. After defeating Tipu Sultan in 1799 during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, the Odayars were restored to the power in the Mysore region. Later, British formed a military base in Bengaluru and it was named as Cantonment. The cantonment area covered around 34 square kilometers. It started from the Residency, now as the Residency Road on west, to Binnamangala in the east. From the tanneries, that is the new tannery road, to the Agaram in the south. The parade ground was the heart and the center of cantonment. The South Parade, which is named as MG Road, had the European influence, having the clubs, theatres, bungalows, churches, shops, parks, and the Bengaluru Rifle Volunteers. It was during this period the Cubbon Park and the cantonment railway station were built. The cantonment streets were named as per the military themes: Artillery Street, Infantry Road, Brigade Road, Richmond Road, Cavalry Road, even more. Even the towns were named as Coxtown, Richmond Town, Fraser Town, etc. Then the Shivaji Nagar was called as Blackpalli. The city of Bengaluru still retains many colonial names of its streets and the towns. The St. Mark's Cathedral, Trinity Church, Cubbon Park, Bengaluru Rifle Volunteers, East Parade Church, the St. Andrew's Church still exist till date. Thank you for watching this video.